Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can remove a particular object from the video only with the CapCut. So this hacks only works into this specific video, and let's find out what video that you can edit with this hacks only in this video. Just watch until the end. Now here I already have the project and the item or the object that I will like to try to remove is this pen on this side. So you just need to type into the clip and take a look on this button feature and slide this feature into the left side until you got the duplicate tools. So we need to duplicate this clip first. Go click this duplicate and don't move anywhere because we need to make this duplicate tool into the overlay clip. Now we just need to drag this overlay clip so that they will have the same range or the same length from the primary video. And after you got the same range, now you just need to tap into the overlay clip again and take a look on this button feature and slide it into the left side until you got mask. Right after you found it, you just need to go tap it. Now you just need to pick what type of shape that you want to use. I would like to use this rectangle, and then we need to place this part into the closest area with the object to camouflage or isolate the color of the background. Okay, I almost get it. So it's quite tricky, so I would like to take like small parts so that they will not bring the other color into the square. Now you just need to go to the checklist button and you just need to like pinch the clip figure by with two of your finger, and then you just need to drag until you cover the area that you want to cover. And now you're done. So the pen is already covered here. That's how I hide the object from the video. Hopefully you all enjoy this tutorial a lot, and please let me get into other tutorial.